Hi viewers. In today's video, we will create a gratuity calculator to calculate the end of service. First of all, we will check the rules. Going the website, it mentions these rules of eligibility of gratuity. Number 1. If a worker has served for less than 1 year, he is not entitled to any gratuity pay. Number 2. If a worker has served for more than 1 year but less than 5 years, he is entitled to full gratuity pay based on 21 days' salary for each year of work. Number 3. If a worker has served more than 5 years, he is entitled to full gratuity of 30 days' salary for each year of work following the first 5 years. Now we will consider these rules while making the gratuity calculator. We will use a formula with the help of logical function named AND in order to consider all the rules. Equal to if total years less than 1, comma. If the logical test is true, then not eligible between the quotes. If the logical test is false, then apply another logical test. So, if. Here we will apply two logical tests, therefore, we will use AND function. So, AND, open parentheses. Number 1, total years less than 1, comma. Number 2, total years less than 5. Close parentheses for AND function. If these both conditions are true, then divide monthly salary by 30 to take the daily salary. Multiply the daily salary by 21 to take 21 days' salary for each year. Then multiply the 21 days' salary with total years. Comma. If any of these condition does not meet, means false. Then salary, multiply by total years. Close parentheses for first function and then close parentheses for second function. Now, for 0 year, the total gratuity is not eligible because the person didn't pass 1 year employment. For 2 years, the total gratuity is 2,100, being eligible to receive 21 days' salary per year. For 5 years, the total gratuity is 7,500, being eligible to receive full 30 days' salary per year. Now, let's add spin buttons to total years and monthly basic salary. It will enable us increase or decrease the values within these cells. To add the counter button, go to Developer tab. In Controls section, click on Insert. Spin button. I am drawing the spin button total years. Now we will connect this button to the same cell where it is drawn. Right-click. Format Control. For total years, the incremental change will be 1. In cell link, select B2. Click OK. Copy the spin button. Paste against the salary. Go to its format control. For salary, the incremental change will be 100. In cell link, select B3. Click OK. Now our gratuity calculator had been completed. We can change the values to get results for different scenario. Thanks for watching. Hit like if you really enjoyed this tutorial.